mornings.
Holidays are a time for tradition, for family, and for Poptopia. Poptopia, starring Nikki York. Dove Cameron.
Spread joy, not germs. As soon as you feel symptoms, you can beat it. COVID medications like the Paxlovid pill can help you test negative sooner. Call a healthcare provider or the statewide COVID hotline at 833-422-4255 to find treatment today. Again, that's 833-422-4255. Brought to you by the California Department of Public Health.
Homeowners, do you have low water pressure in your kitchen or bathrooms? Do you get scalded in the shower when someone flushes the toilet?
pipes leak, causing damage to your floors or ceilings. Hi, this is Pete from Repipe Specialists. Many people don't realize that these are all symptoms of corroded pipes, and that corrosion isn't in just one or two of your pipes. It's in all of your pipes, and these issues will only get worse. So what should you do? Call Repipe Specialists. We've been seamlessly and expertly solving these problems for over 30 years. With our proprietary process, we'll repipe your entire home, premise to patchwork, in just 1 to 2 days, replacing those old, corroded, or brittle pipes with new, high-quality PEX or copper pipes, and give you a lifetime guarantee. Right now, if you call us by Saturday at 415-942-8148, we'll include the patching of your walls for free. Plus, you'll get 0% interest for a year on approved credit. Call 415-942-8148 or go to repipe.com. That's 415-942-8148. Repipe.com. Repipe Specialists, making your seamless and simple. That's our specialty.
Hey singles, want the best recipe for your holidays? Get cooking with Events and Adventures. Start with a pint of excitement, add a cup of fun, a dash of flirtiness, and even a pinch of spice. Mix it up and you've got the single life you've always from Events and Adventures. Members enjoy over 30 exciting events each month, like live band karaoke, axe throwing, or salsa dancing. The best part? Everyone is single. Don't miss out. Get started at eventsandadventures.com and warm up your holidays today. Single during the holidays? Don't forget to treat yourself this holiday with an amazing new single life with Events and Adventures. Whether it's go-karting, indoor skydiving, or wine tasting, Events and Adventures has been providing fun and exciting ways to make connections, create friendships, and spark new relationships for over 30 years. The best gift this season is the one you give yourself with Events and Adventures. Get started today at eventsandadventures.com.
Hey there, it's St. John here at 99.7. I have an amazing deal for you. Now picture this, joining me on a fun, fabulous week-long cruise to the Mexican Riviera. It's a getaway you do not want to miss. I'm talking about 7 nights, 4 ports, 3 days at sea on the amazing ship, the Celebrity Solstice. We leave Los Angeles March 4th. We get an entire week of absolute luxury. Return on the 11th.